Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to start a new chapter, Editing in Word 2010. Before we start this chapter, you have to know about what is MS Word. Okay, MS Word is Microsoft Word. Okay, what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is an application software which is used to solve a specific user's problem. That means if you want to create a document in that time, you need this Microsoft Word application software. Okay. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn one of the major advantage of word processor, that is editing. What is editing? Editing means making changes or modification like inserting or deleting, copying or moving text. These are the features which save a lot of time and efforts in the working of lengthy documents. Before we start learning these features, we need to learn how to select the text. Let's begin with selecting the text. To perform editing in the document, we need to select the block of text on which these features are to be used. This text block can be a word, a line, a sentence, a paragraph, or the entire document. Word offers shortcuts to select them quickly. Let me see one by one. Suppose if you want to select a word in the document, you have to click twice on the word. I am going to select this word Microsoft. Double clicking on the word will be selected. I am going to select a line. I am keeping the mouse pointer in front of the line. Clicking. After clicking, the line will be selected. If you want to select a paragraph, you have to click the left mouse button twice in that paragraph. That means 3 times you have to click on that paragraph. If you want to select a whole document, you have to click 3 times in the left margin. See, 3 times I am clicking, then the whole document will be selected. Now, how to move the text? First of all, you have to select one text. Now I am going to select a word, successor. Now I am going to click cut. And then I am going to paste that word in a new location. I selected new location. Here I am going to paste that word here. For that I am clicking paste. Word should be pasted here. Okay, now I am going to copy a word. This feature helps to repeat the already entered text at new location without retyping. Now I am going to click, that means select a word, Microsoft, and I am going to click copy. You can click copy from here, or otherwise Ctrl plus C from the keyboard. I am selecting a new location. I am going to paste that word here. Now the word will be pasted in the new location. In this way, we can copy the text. The next one, how to find the text. In a document, if you want to find a word, means it is difficult. So with the help of this find option, the work will be easier. See, now I am clicking the home tab. In the home tab, editing group is there. In that editing group, find option is there. You have to click find option. After clicking that find option, the navigation pane will open. Now I am going to find the word predecessor. The word predecessor here. So here in the document, the word will get highlighted. You can see here. Okay. Now I am going to click the arrow buttons in the navigation pane. See, it will show you. See? 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 6 various places, the word predecessor will appear. Okay. That's all about to find the text in a document. I hope all these features are clear to you. We will continue this chapter in the next class. That's all today. Thank you. God bless you.